Hi, this is Dr. Catherine Brown. I'm here to help you locate Kidney 3. It's really easy to find. If you put your foot at a 90-degree angle, it's going to be between the medial malleolus and the Achilles tendon. So right in the dip, um, level with the highest point of the medial malleolus. This is actually the source point for the kidney energetic organ system, so it's incredibly important for tonifying kidney deficiency. Typically, I'll use this with the tonification method, so a clockwise circular method, and I'll add the water element acupressure stick that contains essential oils that will activate the point and make your acupressure treatment much stronger and more effective. I wrote this detailed article about acupressure. Here, all of your questions about using acupressure effectively are answered. You will also find tons of information about how to use acupressure and Chinese medicine for specific health concerns, and you can deepen your knowledge about Chinese medicine at agelessherbs.com. Thanks for watching my video. Likes are much appreciated, and please subscribe to my channel. Be well.